Hello, this is Saurabh Bhalerao, Associate Director, BFSI Research at CareEdge Ratings, speaking for the life insurance monthly numbers of July 2024. Titled, Private Companies Report 30% Growth in Individual APE for the month of July 2024. The life insurance industry reported 16.3% year-on-year annual premium equivalent, that is APE growth, in July 2024 on a low base, as July 2023 had been a weak month for most life insurance companies, as demand had been front-loaded to March 2023 due to taxation norms. Meanwhile, the growth in number of individual policies was tapered at 2.7 for the month. LIC reported 13.6% APE growth for the month, driven by group premiums, in contrast to the 20.7% decline reported same month last year. The 2-year, that is July 2022 to July 2024, compounded annual growth rate was 7.5% for the industry. For the private players, it stood at 18.8%, while LIC actually witnessed a decline of 5.1%. Low base effect, increased insurance coverage, increase in the ticket sizes, and increase in single premiums drove the growth of the life insurance premiums in the first 4 months of July current fiscal year. LIC's growth number for the month of July, as well as for the first 4 months of the current fiscal, have been higher on an unweighted basis when compared to its private peers, primarily due to group single premiums and low base effect. Further, non-single premiums for the month rose by 16.9% compared to 14.7% for the same period last month, while single premium growth rebounded to 12.8%, driven by LIC, compared to a reduction of nearly 40% in July 2023. On the other hand, for the year-to-date FY25, single premiums experienced robust growth compared to non-single premiums. The private sector has a larger share in the non-single subsegment, mainly individual premiums, while LIC continues to dominate the single premium subsegment, especially the group business. For July 2024, the group premiums growth rate turned positive to 9.7% from a reduction of over 43% in July 2023. Meanwhile, individual premiums rose by 20.7% compared to the 12.5% growth in July 2023. Individual premiums continue to remain smaller in size compared to group premiums. The private sector has maintained its lead in the individual segment, while LIC continues to dominate the group segment. The new business premium in FY25 is expected to increase on a comparative lower base, while the growth in total premium is anticipated to remain intact. The growth drivers include prudent underwriting, GDP growth, rapid urbanization, demand for ULIPs based on market performance, and protection plans. Younger demographic and rising awareness of retirement planning, along with digital infrastructure, amplifying multiple distribution channels. IRDAI has announced new regulations regarding surrender values to be implemented from 1st October 2023. The product and commission structure could likely witness significant changes and lead to volatile premium movement in the remaining part of the current fiscal. However, as these changes are favorable for customers, the growth is likely to rise over the medium term. CareEdge anticipates that the life insurance industry will sustain a growth rate of approximately 11 to 13% over the next 3 to 5 years. There is likely to be increased emphasis of the agency channel, driven by banks' focus on deposit gathering and companies' effort to reduce reliance on bank assurance. Meanwhile, any potential adverse macroeconomic conditions could impact growth. Despite these challenges, the medium-term outlook remains positive. Thank you.